Now I'm going to play the song which brought me to the Crane Bar on Tuesday night. The John Riley. This is also written by Tim O'Brien, and it's about John Riley, the leader of the Irish Brigades who fought in St. Patricios. First they joined to the US Army, and then they went to the other side. And yeah, the song contains a kind of romantic version of it, why they chosen the other side. John Riley came from Galway town in the years of the Irish hunger, and he sailed away to America when the country was much younger. Well, the place was strange and the work was scarce, and all he knew was farming. So he followed his other Irish friends to a job in the US Army. Adventure calls and some men run, and this is their sad story. Some get drunk on a demon rum, some get drunk on glory. They marched down the Texas way to the banks of the Rio Grande. They built a fort on the banks above the town old Santa Ana. They were treated bad and paid worse, and then the fighting started. The more they fought, the less they thought of the damned old US Army. Adventure calls and some men run, and this is their sad story. Now some get drunk on a demon rum, some get drunk on glory. The church bells rang on a Sunday morn. It set his soul a shiver. He saw the senoritas washing their hair on the far side of the river. John Riley and 200 more Irish mercenaries, they cast their lot, right or not, south of the Rio Grande. Adventure calls and some men run, and this is a sad story. Some get drunk on a demon rum, some get drunk on glory. They fought bravely under the flag of the St. Patricios, till the Yankee soldiers beat him down at the Battle of Churubusco. Then 15 men were whipped like mules, and on the cheeks were hot iron branded, made to dig the graves of 50 more who were hanging faded-handed. Adventure calls and some men run, and this is a sad story. Some get drunk on a demon rum, some get drunk on glory. John Riley stands and drinks alone at the bar in Veracruz. He wonders if it matters much, if you win or if you lose. Well, I'm a man who can go home, I'm a vagabond, says he. I am a victim of some wanderlust and divided loyalty. Adventure calls and some men run, and this is their sad story. Now some get drunk on a demon rum, some get drunk on glory. Adventure calls and some men run, and this is their sad story. Now some get drunk on a demon rum, some get drunk on glory. Thank you very much.